What are you waiting for? Welcome to my channel Glauzinia. Please share, like and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell and share this video with your friends. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 amazing Sunnah beauty secrets that every Muslim girl should know. These tips are inspired by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, and are not only great for our physical beauty, but also for our inner well-being. So let's dive right into it. 1. Using siwak miswak for oral hygiene. One of the most well-known beauty secrets in Islam is the use of siwak or miswak. The Prophet, PBUH, recommended using it to keep the teeth clean and fresh. Siwak is made from a natural tree and is rich in antibacterial properties that help in maintaining oral health. It also helps to whiten teeth and freshen breath. It's a simple and effective way to follow the Sunnah while ensuring a sparkling smile. Simply cut a small piece of miswak and chew on one end until it becomes bristly. Gently brush your teeth and gums with it. It's ideal to use before prayer or any important social gathering. 2. Applying henna on hair and skin. Henna has been a part of Islamic beauty rituals for centuries. The Prophet, PBUH, used henna to dye his hair and beard, which is not only a form of beauty, but also carries many health benefits. Henna is full of antioxidants and acts as a natural conditioner, promoting healthier and stronger hair. How to use it? Apply fresh henna paste to your hair. Leave it for a few hours, and then wash it off to get glossy, shiny hair. For skin, you can use henna to create beautiful designs, or apply it as a natural remedy for skin inflammation. 3. Using olive oil for skin and hair care. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, frequently used olive oil for nourishment and healing. Olive oil is full of vitamins and antioxidants that help hydrate and protect the skin. It also improves hair texture, promotes growth, and prevents hair loss. How to use it? Apply olive oil directly to the skin as a moisturizer. Massage into the scalp to promote healthy hair growth. 4. The benefits of rose water. Rose water is another natural ingredient that has been used for centuries in Islamic beauty practices. The Prophet, PBUH, recommended it for its healing properties and its ability to refresh the skin. It helps balance the skin's pH and reduces redness or irritation. How to use it? Use rose water as a toner by applying it to a cotton pad and wiping it across your face. You can also use it as a facial mist throughout the day for instant hydration. 5. Wudu for cleanliness and glowing skin. Wudu, the ritual ablution before prayer, is not just a spiritual practice but also a physical one. Washing your face, hands, arms, and feet regularly as part of wudu keeps your skin clear and bright. The act of cleaning yourself before standing in front of Allah, SWT, is also a reminder of how purity and cleanliness are integral to Islam. How to use it? Make sure to complete your wudu regularly. The constant refreshing of your skin helps in keeping it glowing. 6. Eating dates for skin and health. The Prophet, PBUH, highly recommended eating dates for their numerous health benefits. Dates are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help nourish your skin from within and protect it from damage caused by free radicals. How to use it? Include dates in your daily diet for a glowing complexion and improved health. You can also make date-based face masks for additional skin benefits. 7. Drinking water regularly. While the Prophet, PBUH, didn't specifically talk about the importance of drinking water for beauty, it's clear that hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. Drinking plenty of water flushes out toxins and helps the skin look radiant. How to use it? Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. 8. Using natural perfumes, attar. The Prophet, PBUH, always used natural perfumes like attar, which are alcohol-free and made from essential oils. These perfumes not only leave you smelling amazing, but also have a positive impact on your mood and energy. How to use it? Apply attar on your wrists, neck, and behind the ears for a long-lasting and beautiful fragrance. 9. Wearing hijab with modesty. Beauty in Islam is also about modesty. Wearing the hijab is not just a religious duty, but it also serves as a way to embrace your true beauty without exposing yourself to the public eye. It's about feeling confident in your natural self. How to use it? Wear your hijab with pride and confidence as a symbol of your inner strength and beauty. 10. Practicing gratitude for inner beauty. True beauty in Islam comes from within. The Prophet, PBUH, taught us to always be grateful and content with what we have. Inner beauty is just as important as outer beauty. And by being grateful, we can maintain a positive mindset, which radiates outwardly. How to use it? Practice gratitude in your daily life by thanking Allah for the beauty and blessings He has given you. And there you have it. These 10 Sunnah beauty secrets are simple yet powerful ways to enhance your beauty, both inside and out, while staying true to the teachings of Islam. It's all about taking care of yourself naturally and with love. I hope these tips will inspire you to incorporate some of these practices into your daily life. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try, or if you already use any of these in your routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out. Assalamu alaikum.